Aeroflow Performance has a quick, safe and easy way to move your vehicle anywhere you want, anytime you want. Hey everyone, Pat from Aeroflow Performance here today, and now I'm going to tell you about the Aeroflow QwikLift vehicle positioning jacks, or Go jacks as they're commonly known in the industry. So these units make moving a stationary vehicle in any direction a breeze. It's quick, simple and safe. So you can use these in the workshop or in the home to move your vehicle around when maybe it can't drive under its own power, or you need to move the vehicle into a position that you wouldn't be able to drive it in. So the QwikLift jacks are really easy to use. They're nice and simple. If you come in closer, we'll show you how simple it is to position them under your vehicle and move it around to wherever you need to go. So first step is, once you've got your jack in position on the ground, you release the lever and then you move the rollers apart so that they'll accommodate the wheel on the vehicle that you're about to move. Now these rollers will take up to a 300mm or a 12-inch tyre. So once you've got the QwikLift jack in position, you just snug the rollers up to the tyre. You flip this lever across, which engages the ratcheting system, and then you use the foot pedal to ratchet the jack together and lift the tyre off the ground. I'll show you how that's done now. So once the QwikLift is activated, you just simply pump on this foot pedal. And as you can see, the vehicle is now off the ground and we're ready to move it around. So now once you've got at least 2 wheels off the ground, you'll be able to move the vehicle around. So once you've repositioned your vehicle, to remove the jacks, it's as simple as reversing the operation that we've just done. So you basically take the lever, switch it back over, which changes the ratcheting to the reverse, and then you're basically just pumping it down. So these QwikLift vehicle positioning jacks are going to be a must-have for any home enthusiast, any workshop, any garage that needs to move a vehicle around that might be inoperable. Could just be a rolling chassis, or you need to get into a tight space for storage. You can also grab the QwikLift vehicle positioning jack stand, which is, you saw it at the start of the video, we had the 2 jacks on there. That makes it easy to just load them up on the jack, on the stand, and then just roll them out of the way so that they're nice and easy to store. The jacks themselves, if we're talking about specifications, each jack is capable of holding 680 kilos. Now when you spread that across all 4 wheels of a vehicle, you're talking over 2.5 tons. So most vehicles that you're going to need to move around fall within that range. As far as reliability on these jacks, the ratcheting mechanism is far superior to the hydraulic units that would require servicing. They have a tendency to leak, realistically, if they're left for a long time. Like most seals, if they dry out, they fail. The ratcheting system, you really don't need to do that. The worst case you might find after many years of use is just reapplying the grease on the ratcheting system and you're good to go. So safe, reliable and consistent mechanism in a product that everyone's going to find a use for. Now that you know about the Aeroflow Performance QwikLift vehicle positioning jacks, you can check them out at your local distributor, quality retail outlet, or jump online at aeroflowperformance.com.